Intelligent AI. Let's talk about super intelligent AI, which is truly the stuff of science fiction. When you hear the term super intelligent AI, think of it as a brainy whiz kid of the AI world, only far smarter. This type of AI doesn't just excel at a single task like narrow AI or creates new things like generative AI. Instead, super intelligent AI can potentially outperform humans at pretty much every economically valuable job. It's like having Einstein, Mozart, and Picasso all rolled into one and then some. Right now, super intelligent AI is just a theoretical concept. We don't have the technology yet to create this level of AI. But it's an interesting and exciting idea to think about. What could we accomplish if we had an intelligence that could solve problems faster and better than any human? Imagine if we had a super intelligent AI that could predict and respond to natural disasters, saving countless lives, or an AI that could analyze complex medical data and discover cures for diseases that we're struggling with, or even an AI that could solve our most pressing environmental problems like climate change or plastic pollution. The possibilities are endless and mind-blowing. However, super intelligent AI also raises a lot of questions and concerns. One of the biggest is, how can we control something that's smarter than we are? It's like trying to teach a toddler to control a car. It's simply not equipped to handle it. If a super intelligent AI decides to do something harmful, we might not have the intelligent AI can do everything better than humans. What jobs will be left for us? We might need to completely rethink our economies and societies. There are also ethical questions to consider. Should we even create something that could potentially be dangerous? And if we do, who is responsible if something goes wrong? It is the creators of the AI, the people who use it, or the AI itself. Despite these challenges, the idea of super intelligent AI is fascinating. It pushes the boundaries of what's possible and forces us to think deeply about our values and our future. Even if we never achieve true super intelligent AI, the journey towards it will undoubtedly lead to many exciting discoveries and advancements. In conclusion, super intelligent AI is like the ultimate brainiac of the AI world with the potential to outperform humans in nearly every aspect. While it's currently just a theoretical concept, it's a fascinating area of study that holds immense promise and daunting challenges. As we continue to advance in our understanding and development of AI, it will be interesting to see how the concept of super intelligent AI evolves. So, the next time you watch a sci-fi movie or read a futuristic novel featuring a hyper-intelligent machine, remember that's super intelligent AI you are imagining. Let's do something interesting.